A wormhole is an ERC20 token, and right now they have an amazing offer for everyone. Any token holder that buys or sells on Uniswap is automatically added to a farming slot. While in the farming slot, they receive the airdrops of the wormhole tokens for the next 5 consecutive transactions. So stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
From 2021, on every Thursday, the community vote on the minimum requirement for the farming and a special farming event to boost the volume and burning. The event Horizon and Singularity events are test beds for the features the team is looking to deploy with NFTs in the future. The team will run for the multiple weeks throughout the months to come. And now talking about the farming, the space farming. The space farming is an idea of taking 500 tokens from the DevFeast wallet and selling and buying those tokens constantly until they get depleted. This gives the community members the opportunity to farm the tokens at the expense of the dev fees while burning 1% with each transaction. This should help create more volume and more interest as people look to get big paydays from the farming. And the last one you can say, and also you can say the second one, is the asteroid farming. This will be a 2-hour event where every 10 minutes 5 farmers will be logged into the farming slot. They will consistently receive the airdrops for next 10 minutes before the lock opens and relocks again. This makes it competitive for the farmers to lock into the farming sports and again generates more interest, volume and burn. Now it's the time to talk about the price prediction and also about the entire supply. Here you can see the medium block of the whole token. Right now this token is available on the exchange and also it is available on the CoinGecko. So you can check each and every data of this token. Now about the price prediction. At this time when I'm making this video, the price of one whole token is about $1.96. So definitely as per my own price prediction, but I'm not saying that it's 100% confirmed. You must have to read the entire project before entering into it. But as per my own price prediction, the price will go up to minimum $40 in near future, because the idea of the entire token is entirely unique, and you can also say it that it's a new token, and with the lot of new sports, definitely the price will increase up to $40 maximum. And recently, the whole token partnered with Japan-wide companies to spread and educate about the tokenomics. And now they are looking for the China, India, Korea and Europe for the next line to exposure. Here you can see, and you can check the entire data on the CoinGecko. So definitely it's your time to grab the opportunity, because this token will be huge in the future. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and share it with some friends. Thanks a lot.